Talk about some simple search engine optimization for your affiliate sites. Okay, now you don't need to be an expert at search engine optimization at all, but you should at least know some of the basics. And here are just a few simple tips that should help your site get found in the search engines. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you choose a good keyword rich title and tagline. That's very important. Okay. The other thing that you want to do, and the way that you can adjust that would, if you log into your WordPress site, I'm right here in my dashboard, okay, and if you go to your settings right here, you'll see that the very first settings show your site title and your tagline, okay, and those are things that you're going to want to do right away. The other thing, while we're right in here in the settings, if we go to our settings right here and see this section right here where it says permalinks, if we just click on permalinks, here on permalinks, okay, it usually, WordPress comes like this at the default setting, so that when you make new posts, instead of being keyword rich, they're just going to say like question mark P=1 for page 1. But if we change that to post name, okay, what's going to happen is it's going to spell out so that when we go to certain pages, they're going to be search engine friendly. It's going to say exactly what's on the page. So if we had a page called new page, the actual, what it would show in the browser would be called new page, okay? And that's very important because you want that URL to have the name of the post in it, okay? And then that really is going to be relevant towards the search engine. Now, you also want to make sure that you use a combination of broad and long tail keywords in your posts. That's very important. You'll also want to go ahead and add a Google Sitemap plugin to your site. That's very easy to do. If we just go over to plugins over here, right, we can go to add new and we can do a search for Google Sitemap. Okay, and it's going to give us a whole bunch of different plugin suggestions that we can use. And you can grab this and install it right here. Very easy. Very easy. And what a sitemap plugin does, it just makes it easy for Google to more easily locate and index the pages that are on your website. Okay. Another thing to do, you might want to consider using a good SEO plugin to give your blog a little boost in the search engines. One of them, it's called the Yoast WordPress SEO plugin. We can just do a search for Yoast WordPress probably. You can see right here. You can go ahead and install that. I've already installed it on this blog, but it has lots of built-in powerful functions that are going to help you optimize your website for the search engines. And as you can see, this has 5 ratings out of 5. It's been, rated by over 2,000 people. It's a great little plugin, and it will help you. It has all kinds of guidance and help that'll help you rank your site a little bit better in the search engines. Okay, and that should do it. Those are just a couple of simple little tips you can use to help boost the SEO for your site.